Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Aloo or Paneer ki Swadisht Sabzi, that is potato and cottage cheese delicious curry. It is a very delicious curry with spicy gravy that is one of the most liked and popular curries of Punjab. We cook it quite often as it is very easy to make curry and may be served accompanied with naan, roti, parantha or rice. Put a wok over medium heat with enough cooking oil or ghee in it for deep frying. Carefully drop 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch size cubes of 150 gram fresh paneer that is drained and pressed. Cottage cheese into hot oil. Fry cottage cheese cubes in hot oil while turning sides with a spatula for 3 to 4 minutes. Fry until cheese cubes are golden at edges. Drain fried cottage cheese cubes onto a plate and keep aside for a while. Now put your pressure cooker over medium heat and add 2 or 3 tablespoon cooking oil or ghee into it. Also add 1/2 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, in it. And when cumin starts crackling, add peeled and grated 2 medium-size onions into cooker. Stir and saute for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Saute while stirring occasionally until onion is well browned, then reduce heat to medium-low. Add in 1 teaspoon ginger paste or ginger garlic paste according to your choice. Stir and saute for a minute on medium-low heat. Now add pureed 3 or 4 medium-sized tomatoes into cooker. Increase heat to medium. Stir and saute for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Saute while stirring occasionally until rawness of tomatoes is gone and grease is released from onion-tomato masala mixture. Reduce heat to low. Season with 1 teaspoon or to taste salt, 1/2 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, 2 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon or to taste garam masala. We will also add more garam masala at the end of cooking. Stir to mix and saute at low heat for 2 minutes. Stir in a little amount of water so as to prevent spices from burning. Stir and saute until that fabulous aroma of roasted spices fills into your kitchen. Now add peeled and cubed 2 or 3 medium-sized potatoes into cooker. We had peeled and cut potatoes into cubes earlier and had kept submerged in water so as to prevent blackening of potato cubes. Stir and toss potato cubes to coat well with onion tomato masala. Add in fried cottage cheese cubes also and stir again to coat all evenly with masala mixture. Now pour 1.5 to 2 cups water into cooker, and stir to mix all well. Amount of water depends on desired consistency of gravy, but keep one thing in mind, that potato starch keeps on thickening the gravy even after you have finished cooking. Close and seal cooker with its lid and increase heat to medium-high. Cook at medium-high until cooker whistles, then reduce heat to low. Cook further at low heat for 5 minutes. Cooking at low heat after whistling of cooker saves fuel or energy without increasing any time in cooking. Turn off the heat after cooking at low heat for 5 minutes and allow cooker to release its steam pressure on its own. It might take 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the lid after steam pressure is finished. Stir curry to mix, then add 1 teaspoon crumbled Kasuri methi, and 1/4 teaspoon or to taste garam masala. Stir to mix, then transfer into serving bowl. Garnish with chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander. Serve delicious aloo or paneer ki sabzi, that is potato and cottage cheese curry, accompanied with naan, roti, parantha or rice, and enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click the like button and write your views in comments column below for sure. Your feedback is really very important for us. Thanks.